Howdy folks, Ben from Snowies here today. I'm going to shout out to one of our YouTube viewers, Ree. I'm sorry Ree, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but it was a while ago now you asked us easiest way to pack up a swag. We're out here with the Mitchell Expedition swag from Austro here today, and we thought we'd take the opportunity to film up how to do it, because it's pretty straightforward, but there are a few things that you can do to make it easier. So packing up of the swag is pretty easy. It's pretty much just roll it and go. You can roll the swag up with all your bedding inside. Pillows might be a bit bulky, but sheets, blankets, sleeping bags can roll up inside. It's just going to make the size of the swag a bit bigger when you're finished. But the benefit of that is when you get to camp at the end of the night, unroll your swag and your bed's made ready to go. Now it is pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of little things you can do to make it easier. One of the main things I'd suggest is make sure you leave the zip open a little bit. Now I need to roll this swag from the head end back towards the foot end. So as I do that, I need to allow air to escape. So I'm just going to leave this zip here unzipped there a little bit to allow that air to escape. It's going to make it much easier to roll. I don't have any bedding inside this one, so it's going to be nice and easy to roll up. First thing I need to do is take the guy ropes out. We've got a guy rope and a peg in each end. Then we take all 3 poles out, collapse them up and put them on top of the swag. So we'll just take a few seconds just to kind of fold the fabric as best as I can inside the boundaries of the mattress. It just makes it a little neater when it's rolled up and less fabric hanging out the sides. Now this has got straps, attached straps on the end here, so I know I've got to roll this way. One tip, if you don't have straps that are attached to your swag, find them now and just tuck them in underneath the end of the swag that you're rolling to. So by the time you get to the end of it, you can just sit on the swag and do the straps up. There's nothing worse than rolling the swag up. You get to here, you've got it nice and tight, you're sitting on the swag and you realise the straps are sitting in the back of your car. You've got to pick the swag up and try and go get the straps. It's just easier to have them ready to go. So I've folded that, poles and pegs, I tuck them inside here, and I just start by creating a fold over the top of the pegs. And I like to use my knees just to hold it down. Don't lean too much on the poles there, you don't want to break them. Now if I want to get a really tight roll, I just do it a little bit at a time, roll with my hands and then hold it with my knees. And as you go, just sort of tuck the canvas in so that it all stays nice and neat inside. Keep going. As you get to the end, this is the end flap where the feet are. Just tuck that underneath so it grabs underneath there as you roll it, right up to the end. Now you can sit on the swag, so you can see the benefit. These are attached, but if I did have my straps sitting here ready to go, it'd be nice and easy to do them up. So all I need to do now is reach my hand under here, pull the strap over the top. You can see the straps on this swag are particularly long, so if I did have bedding in there and this was quite a round or quite a large package, I'd have plenty of strap left to be able to tighten it up. And that is how you pack up a swag. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.